this guide, I'm going to show you how to run WhatsApp privacy checkup on iPhone. Intro. Begin by opening up WhatsApp and you need to tap settings down in the bottom right corner, and then from here go ahead and select privacy, and at the top of the privacy page you need to just tap start checkup under privacy checkup just like so. So scroll down, select privacy checkup, hit start checkup just like so, and then of course just go through each section and review the options for who can contact you, who can see your personal information, and the additional protections available in your chats and accounts. And just tap into each category and change any settings that you want, such as your profile photo visibility, last seen, online status, group permissions, block contacts, and so much more. And there's no final scan that you have to run or a save button to press, and once you've reviewed these sections and made whatever changes are necessary, you can simply just exit the privacy checkup and WhatsApp will keep these settings you selected. It's that simple. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.